morning to Dr. Hasni. I am Liz Nashawel from SIP AP 2663B. Today I'll talk about calibration. What is a calibration? Calibration is a process of comparing a measuring instrument output with non-standard to ensure accuracy and reliability. In this study, I will be calibrating a weighing scale which is Tanita KD200 electronic weighing scale. And the process of this product calibrating is a process of adjusting the scale's reading to ensure the accuracy and its reliability in its product measurement. The Tanita KD200 is a versatile and economical electronic weighing scale designed for various applications including kitchen use, laboratories, and general weighing tasks. Next, we move to the preparation before we start the calibration process. First, we should clean the weighing platform thoroughly to remove dust, debris, or residues that could interfere with the readings. Second, we should visually check the scale's condition, whether it is broken or not. Then clarify the scale's technical specification, and then turn on the weighing scale and let it warm up for the recommended times, typically 15 or 30 minutes. This step will help stabilize the internal components. And then the last thing is have accurately calibrated reference width available, which is to refer the manual. Still about in preparation, the weighing instrument should be at the horizontal level, and then we should pretest by placing width close to the maximum of the range in the instrument to ensure it works normally. Next, we move to the calibration procedure. First, we have the eccentricity test. The eccentricity test is performed to test the effect of the location of the load. In this procedure, first the reference weight is placed in specified location. Then the test load should be at least 1/3 of the max load of the weighing instrument. And then take the calibration data using apps application called BMixB mobile application. After that, use the same load through the test. Move the load between location 1 to 5 and record the indication. Finally, place the test load on location 1 and check for drift whether it passed or not. Next, we have a repeatability test. When the same load is measured several times, the result is not always exactly the same. Now, to find out the repeatability of the instrument, a repeatability test is done. First, in this procedure, the instrument first zeroed, then the load is placed on the load receptor and indication is recorded once it is stabilized. Next, the load is removed and zero indication is checked and zeroed if necessary. The load is placed again and so on. A repeatability test is normally done by repeating the measurement at least 5 times. Next, we have weighing test procedure. The purpose of a weighing test is to test the accuracy of the weighing instrument throughout its whole range in several steps within increasing and decreasing weights. In this procedure, start with zeroing the instrument without any load, and then set the loads of the first test point, wait for stabilization, and then record the indication. After that, continue increasing the loads through all the increasing test points. Typically, there are 5 to 10 different loads are used. And once the maximum load is recorded, start decreasing the loads through the decreasing test. The last procedure is minimum weighing test. This required within some industries like pharmaceutical industry. The purpose of the minimum weight test is to find the smallest load that can be measured while still achieving reliable result. In this procedure, a small test load is measured multiple times to find out the accuracy of the instrument with a small load, for example, a clip. The calibration procedure This same calibration procedure can be used with different sizes of weighing instrument. Now, in conclusion, the calibration ensures the scale provides precise measurement over time. Environmental factor handling and wear can cause measurement drift, making calibration a routine necessity. It is especially crucial in industry where precise weight measurements are vital.